guys, how's it going? So just on our way to another job today. We're going to Tottenham. I just got a back garden patio clean. It's very, very filthy. It's got a lot of mold, got a lot of algae, so give that a good clean in. The weather's starting to pick up now and it should be clear for the next couple of days actually. So got a post to do tomorrow, but should be able to get a couple more jobs in before we get the classic England weather again. But I might do a little time lapse off the forest as I'm driving over it. Just class is always nice to go over the forest, isn't it? But anyway, enjoy the cleaning and see you soon. Cheers. Look at that. Still a little bit muddy, so we have some footprints everywhere. But I got a little bit of this one just to show the customer what the difference is. So I think I'm going to come back and do this little bit here, and then I think the customer wants to do the driveway as well as the patio down the alley. So this goes on. A big quick job because it's all just slabs. So just literally up there and the drives around there. Might be nice and easy, but when the weather is a bit better, and there's more time of day because I don't know if you can see, but it's raining now. So this is this one all done. Just do a little brush up, but look at the difference. Look at the colours. That was not there before, which is amazing. And now the customer's very happy. Couldn't use any chemicals because they got pets, so she just said if you don't need to use it, don't. So that's fine. But big improvement. That's all my stuff. I'm halfway through tidying up. But happy customer, happy me. It's fantastic. Love jobs like these. Before, didn't even see that, but now it's much better.